Most people think starting a pressure washing business is all about buying a machine and posting online, but that is exactly why they struggle to get consistent jobs. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The real business is not cleaning surfaces, it is building a system that brings customers every single week. In this video, you will learn exactly how I would start a pressure washing business today, step by step, even if I had zero experience and a small budget. You will see how to get your first customers fast, how to price jobs correctly, and how to grow without wasting money on unnecessary tools. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that makes most beginners quit before they even make profit. Let's start with the basics. Pressure washing is simple. Driveways, walls, roofs, and outdoor surfaces get dirty over time, and people pay to clean them. The demand is already there. You just need to position yourself correctly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners focus too much on equipment and not enough on customers. You do not need the most expensive machine to start. You need your first 5 to 10 paying jobs. First step is getting leads. The fastest way is local Facebook groups, Google Business Profile, and door-to-door flyers. For example, Jake started in a small US suburb and got his first jobs just by posting before and after photos in neighborhood groups offering same-week service. But here's the problem. Most people wait until everything is perfect before they start marketing. That delay kills momentum and confidence. Second step is pricing. Keep it simple. Charge per square foot or per job type like driveway, patio, or siding. Do not overcomplicate it. John, a beginner in Florida, started with fixed pricing like driveway cleaning for a flat fee and closed more jobs because customers understand simple prices faster. Now here's where most people fail. They undercharge just to get started. That feels good in the beginning, but it leads to burnout and no real profit. In a minute, I'll show you how to turn one-time pressure washing jobs into repeat customers and steady monthly income. Third step is presentation. Even simple equipment can look professional if you show before and after results. Take clear photos every job. This builds trust instantly and helps you get referrals without extra marketing. Now let's talk about tools. At the start, you only need a basic pressure washer, extension hose, and cleaning attachments. You do not need expensive upgrades until you have steady income. But here's where it gets even more powerful. The real growth comes from repeat work and seasonal maintenance. Driveways get dirty again. Roofs need cleaning every few years. If you stay in touch, customers come back without you chasing them. Now, imagine this. You clean one driveway. The customer is happy. You ask for a review. Then you offer annual maintenance. That one job turns into long-term income and referrals. So, here's the takeaway. Starting a pressure washing business is not about equipment or luck. It is about getting customers fast, showing results clearly, and building repeat business. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more practical step-by-step business guides that help you start and grow real income service businesses.